Okay, we're recording a 2001 Towlite Hi Lo. We just got it from my uncle and we're going to remodel it. Let me show you what we have. We have yellowish floors. They're in pretty bad shape. There's our refrigerator. You can see all the beating it's taken over the years. These are the controls to lift and lower the unit. Over here is the bed, which we have one of the cushions out because we're making a new cover for it. And then there's a bunk bed up here, which the mattress is just hideous. And we're gonna have to replace the lights. Let's see where it's melted. I think this door was falling off. Yeah. It's had a rough life. The AC unit, the unit is actually out because the compressor is grounding out inside the compressor, so we're gonna have to replace that as soon as possible. Right here you're looking at some vinyl flooring that we picked up that we're going to try to use as our countertop. We're going to redo all of this. Okay, over here is our sink. It's got this hideous little faucet on it. We're going to replace that and upgrade everything. We're going to redo these curtains. This is where the bathroom's at. It's kind of a weird setup because it's got this material here, this fabric that needs to be fixed up. And here's the shower floor. We just recently pulled the toilet out because the toilet's no good. The flush system in it was busted. We got some cabinets. Here's the sink. The shower part of the sink is actually gone, and this is for the vent for the black tank where it goes up there. We need to fix that. This light cover's missing. The shower curtain is actually missing. There's a vent right here and it's like super dirty. Back here, this is the actual door to the restroom, and it's broken off and needed repair. Got plug-ins. This is actually the wardrobe where you hang your clothes. And we're gonna repaint. We're going to clean these ceilings. I guess there was a smoker that stayed in here for a long time, and the ceilings are actually got this yellowish tint to them. They're pretty gross. The blinds. We redid that cushion over there, and when we pulled that cushion out, you can just smell how bad the smoke was lingering in it. So this is the trailer. This is before we really started anything on it. Just wanted to give you a good look at what we're working with. We're going to replace the flooring. We're going to redo these cushions. We're going to try to fix everything up. Underneath there is supposed to be a furnace, which we need to check out. And over here, we got some cabinetry that needs good cleaning. So we'll update you as soon as we get more done and show you how it's going. Thank you for watching. Okay, tonight I'm going to show everybody how our little travel trailer turned out. It was quite a bit of work to get it looking like this, because it was pretty run down when we got it. But we got nice flooring in here now. Everything's been repainted. All of the cushions have been redone. It came out really nice. All of the curtains have been redone also. We've upgraded the lights to all LED lights. There's actually lights that are pretty nice in here. We did put a brand new AC on top of the unit. It works very well. Really nice backsplash that we put in. Knife rack, custom made roll up window for the kitchen window. The stove and everything works. The refrigerator works great. We're actually, if you can see, running it on propane right now. We got one little switch cover to get, but that'll be tomorrow. Microwave. Our tabletops and all of the tops in the unit have been replaced. This is actually vinyl flooring that we glued on. It came out really nice. It's a very strong surface that will hopefully last for many years. So, all the cabinets have been repainted. There's a bunk bed above this couch that makes into a bed that we removed off the ceiling, which made it look a lot more spacious in there. And you can see everything came out really nice. These are the controls down here for the up and down at the top. Let me take you back here again. Smoke alarm. Real nice faucet that we put in here. Works great. And then we're still finishing the restroom, but we put a new toilet, shower curtain, the mirror, nice shelving. And all this is set up to where when this top lowers down for when we're pulling it, it will all stay in place and lower down. TV is on the back pedestal, but whenever we're watching TV, we just pull it forward and set it on top of this right here. This is a little storage and wardrobe. Where I'll give you a little one more thing I wanted to show everybody is on these high-lows, the bathroom walls are actually made of fabric, and we remade these to where when the unit comes down that the walls collapse, and we remade these with some padding to make them a lot thicker than what actually came with the trailer. And we of course put a shower liner for the inside. And it came out really well, and they're nice and thick and a little bit more privacy. Yeah, it came out really nice, and tomorrow is going to be our first night camping with it, so we're going to be looking forward to it. We'll update everybody and let them know how it went, and hopefully we make it out there. It's about a 3-hour drive, and should be fine. We put new tires, checked everything out. Should be good to travel on. So thanks for watching.